Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will make this glass dispersion text easily and step by step. You will not missing anything to have a nice glass texture like this. So let's get started. As always, first select the cube and the light, right click, delete. Go here, add the text. Hit tab and hit any text you want. For me it's Blender RX19. Go in properties of the text, make it in the center. In geometry I give it 0.2. In depth 0.02. I'll change the profile here. In profile make it crown and enable this and this. S to scale. For the font, you can choose any font you want. Choose a nice and simple texture. For me, it's this one. Go here in both noon. We want this effect. Now go here, add a plane. S to scale. Now hit 0, hit N, view, camera to view, and hit N to close. There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a I scale the plane more. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. You can choose any angle you want. Now go here. When you see the plus, here when you see the plus, up and make it in a shader editor. Hit N to close this window. Now go in the world, in color. Here we open the HDRI image. So I chose this one. If you want to download the HDRI, go in the browser and hit free HDRI like this. Free HDRI and select the first. It's free and you can download anyone. Now go back in Blender. Now here in Eevee we switch in cycles.
Active your GPU if you have one. Here, decrease the number to 32. Here, I decrease the number to 215. Here, the number 0.1. And you go here in color management, a very high contrast. Now, we go here, we select the plane, new, we make it metallic, the roughness I give it 0.1. Select the text, new, select principal BSDF, right click, delete. Now go here and add in shader, select first mix shader, make it here, go in shader, select add a shader, duplicate, go here in a shader and select refraction BSDF, duplicate 2 times. Now connect the first here, the second here, the second here, and connect in mix shader. Now go in shader, I add a glass BSDF, connect it here. Now we change this, go here in RGB, I make it red, this one red to 0, blue to 0, this one red 0, green 0. Now we change this, the index of refraction to 1.4 here, and here 1.5. Roughness, we make it 0.15. The same here, 0. Here 0.5. Now we connect this surface. Now we see we have some refraction here. Now we go here in input, we select a light pad, we make it here, connect a transmission depth in the here. Now we go in the render image. Now we have this beautiful glass shader. Now I scale the text a little in the Z-axis, in the X-axis. Now go in the plane, I change this. Make it now we go here in the camera. Here in viewport display, we want to see just now we go here in a render image to see how look as you can see. It's easy to make. Now we have a glass text, easy to do. So I hope that you enjoy to make this tutorial with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one.